Family, it's not just a word, it's a feeling, a strength, and a home in our hearts. Let's think about what F.A.M.I.L.Y really means. F stands for foundation, the base of who we are. A stands for always, because family is there in good times and bad. M stands for memories, the moments we share, the laughter, and even the lessons. I stands for inspiration, the people who push us to be better every day. L stands for love, the glue that holds us together, no matter what. And Y stands for you, because family begins with each one of us. Today is a reminder to slow down, appreciate our loved ones, and be grateful for the people who make our lives meaningful. On this special day, I want to wish all Canadian residents a very happy Family Day. This is Tariq Khan, wishing you love, peace, and beautiful moments with your family, today and always.